Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Find the missing values in the following factorization. Now, in order to find these missing values, let us first factorize this given polynomial. 28a square b cube plus 70a square b cube c. Now, we have to take common factors out. So, we can see that a square b cube is common literal factors, okay, and numeral common factor is 14, so we take out 14 a square b cube, and in bracket remains 14 2s are 28, so 2 plus 14 5s are 70, so 5, and c is an extra literal, so this is the remaining terms in the bracket. So the missing values in above fill in the blank will be 14 and 2. Therefore, 28a square b cube plus 70a square b cube c equal to 14a square b cube multiplied by 2 plus 5c. So this is the answer.